Hi, my name's Marnie. I'm from Sydney, Australia. I wanted to come here to do yoga to deepen my practice, but also to find a bit of balance between my body, my soul, my mind, and I really found that here. Vinyasa Yogashala, I chose it because it had, well, amazing recommendations, but it just looked like it was in the perfect place and I felt really called to it. Changes I've noticed after this teacher training course is I'm physically stronger, much more disciplined, willing to get up at 5 a.m. every day and actually enjoying it, which is a huge surprise. But also a lot more unity between my body and my mind, and then unity between myself and the people that were around here, the community at Vinyasa Yogashala. I think I'm more confident being in my own skin, but also more confident in the relationships around me, and physical changes, stronger arms. Yeah, I see yoga from so many different dimensions now, whereas back at home when I started practice, it was a lot to do with the asanas or the physical movements of it. But now that I understand a lot of the philosophy and history behind yoga, I understand that it's more of a lifestyle rather than an exercise that you just do.